Craftsman's 100th episode. No doubt about it. Appreciate everybody checking me out and all that good stuff. So till the next time, please leave a message, a like, find me on Google+, find me on YouTube, all that good stuff. 456 up here in the bottom side of these Great Lakes. Just kicking back, reading your comments. 456 bottom side of the Great Lakes, and I'll see you.